Every town in the MetroWest area of Boston is experiencing low inventories of properties. This video series will feature the demolition and building of a new house in Wellesley. You will see all the steps as they occur, so stay tuned to my video series as I add videos to show you the progress over the coming many months. With the cracks and groans and slams and bangs of a gigantic kid's erector set, this huge house-eating machine gets to work, and it will only take a few hours to demolish what it took months to build and decades to live in. There are those that mourn a house's passing, but those awaiting a new home are excited and anxious to pave the way. This technique is interesting as the operator deftly works the jaws to drive the debris into the basement. He is able to compact all of the debris and rubble. Big trucks are then backed in, and he uses the jaws to grab the debris and put it into the trucks for disposal. Gently, the machine picks up the stairs and drops them into the basement pile. Removing one single tree limb is as easy as taking down the entire side of a house with one big chomp. This highly trained operator maneuvers the process with safety always in mind. Huge dump trucks come in to be filled and haul away the rubble. Just getting into the driveway and backing up to the house is an art. The house eater makes new flat beds for the truck to back onto. Trees and bushes in the way? No problem. Visit my site, come back in a week or so, and see what happens next. This will be an ongoing video series until the new house construction is complete. See you later.